Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Waqar. I'm dermatologist and aesthetic doctor in Pakistan and in Dubai. I'm registered as a dermatologist with Pakistan Medical Council and as aesthetic doctor with Dubai Health Authority, Ministry of I.S.H.I. Today I want to tell you about some of my techniques that I learned by working in different countries and by working with some senior doctors and having global recognitions, that how I shape up the face and how I do the anti-aging procedures. So in these procedures, first of all, that we do mostly if there is any physical morbidity like some acne, some acnic scars, or some aging effects like wrinkles. When I make such a list of the procedures that a person needs to do, so I consider these things that first of all we need to correct anything that is creating a face like having some disease like acne or acnic scars or such type of anti-aging things. After that, I usually go for the beautification of the face. Such type of the lips, Dr. Waqar, I like. Such type of the Russian lips I want. Such type of the jawline I want, like the Texas jawline is very common. Or they want to remove nasolabial folds. Some wants to remove the under eye circles. So I consider it and I tell them the solutions that what thing is the best for you. Like you need to do the fillers, you need to do the threads, you need to do the Botox, you need to do hypho, you need to do maybe sometime only with the hydrofacial, hypho and some other procedures we can do some facelifting. And sometimes we go for surgeries, for the face surgeries that we need to do like blepharoplasty. Sometimes we need to do this for the double chin, we need to do some liposuction. Sometimes we need to do the fat transfer. So for all of these procedures, if you are interested in making your face more beautiful, or if you want to discuss with me, you can come to me, you can discuss with me, you can make your plan, and then you can follow it to gain the face what you want and what you deserve. So be you, whatever you want, I can help you to achieve that shape of the face for you.